Bakit mahalagang mag-invest tayo sa real estate? Morning guys, this is your trusted broker consultant Johnny Alasio. And right now pag-uusapan natin bakit mahalaga mag-invest tayo sa real estate habang maaga pa. Number 1, capital appreciation. Habang tumatagal, ang investment natin ay tumataas ang value. Number 2, passive income or cash flow. Paglat ang investment natin, in the future, pwede natin siyang patuyan ng bahay at ipa-Airbnb or iparenta. Did you know, real estate is the best asset for generational wealth? And lastly, we can beat inflation. Pag nilagay natin sa real estate ang naipon natin, the next 5 years, malaki na ang value niya. I am proudly introducing you our subdivision here at Mabalacat City, Pampanga, Claremont by Philinvest. We are located at Santa Maria, Mabalacat City, Pampanga. We are along the highway near Santa Ines and Lex Exit, Clark International Airport, Clark Global City, and New Clark City, Philippine National Railway, and Clark Development Center. Dito sa Claremont, meron tayong mga residential lots and we can invest 120 square meter lot to 360 square meter lot or more. Dito din sa Claremont, meron tayong kanya-kanyang main gate and clubhouse bawat phases. Pag residential lot po ang investment natin, sariling design nyo po na bahay ang masusunod. Thank you for watching guys. Again, this is Johnny Alasio. Tara, tulungan kita sa first investment mo.